Sure. Here's a 2,400-word YouTube video script about the 2025 Yamaha Tricity 300, written in a natural, flowing style without headings. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of scooters, motorcycles, and everything two or sometimes three-wheeled. Today, we're going to take a deep and detailed look at a scooter that's changing the way people think about urban mobility and safety on the road. I'm talking about the 2025 Yamaha Tricity 300, a machine that blends the comfort of a maxi scooter with the confidence of a three-wheel design. Now, I know what you're thinking. A three-wheeler? Isn't that for beginners or people who don't want to lean into curves? Well, Yamaha has a very different answer. The Tricity 300 isn't your average commuter scooter. It's stylish, it's powerful, and above all, it's smartly engineered. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a dependable daily rider or someone coming back into the world of two. Well, three wheels, this scooter demands attention. The first thing that strikes you about the Tricity 300 is its design. Yamaha has managed to give it an aggressive, premium look while maintaining an approachable vibe. The front end, with its dual leaning wheels and sculpted fairing, instantly tells you this isn't just another scooter. LED headlights, sharp lines, and a tall windshield give it a futuristic appearance, but it doesn't shout for attention. It's confident, not cocky. But this machine isn't just about looks. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha Tricity 300 is a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, four-stroke, single-cylinder engine, derived from Yamaha's proven Blue Core technology. It's tuned for efficiency, performance, and smooth power delivery. You're looking at about 28 horsepower, which might not sound like much on paper, but once you twist that throttle, you feel the scooter's strong torque and quick acceleration, especially when navigating tight city streets or overtaking on a highway. Thanks to its automatic CDT transmission, the riding experience is seamless. There's no shifting, no clutch to worry about, just twist and go. The engine is refined, and vibrations are minimal. That's something you'll notice right away. Whether you're cruising at 30 km per hour through traffic or pushing it to 100 on the open road, the Tricity 300 feels composed, smooth, and incredibly easy to ride. Now let's talk about the real game changer, that three-wheel front end. Yamaha's leaning multi-wheel, LMW, technology is truly what sets the Tricity apart. The two front wheels can tilt and lean with the rest of the scooter, giving you the sensation and handling of a traditional bike but with the added stability and grip that only dual front contact patches can offer. This isn't a gimmick, it's genuinely effective. Whether you're cornering hard or riding over a slick patch of pavement, the added grip from the twin wheels up front is confidence-inspiring. Riders new to scooters why?